sure to submit your completed VOTD, and if you'd like to receive your ICC
themselves yung problema, for example, dito, para talagang sila yung maka-experience na mag-action. So, ang nakakatuwa, last year, was our first time to participate. We have around 30 volunteers. Ngayon, naging 110 volunteers na. So, bukod pa ron, next month, meron pa kaming eco tour. Meron kaming tree planting activity. So, may mga volunteers din doon. So, talagang ang focus namin is to encourage our employees, no, whether it's in the head office, in the warehouse, and in our stores, to do volunteer work. So, natutuwa kami na more and more maraming employees ng Watsons nagpa-participate. Kasi kailangan na talaga, ang daming, bumaba ako doon kanina, nakakalungkot na sobrang daming basura and plastic across the, this is our major waterway. This is Manila Bay. Pag nagkaroon ng, diba, na-clog yung Manila Bay, the rest of Manila will have a problem. And actually, nakikita na natin yan ngayon, diba? Kapag konting ulan lang, nagbabaha na usually naman dati hindi naman ganun kabilis yung pagbabaha. So nakikita na natin yung resulta ng yung hindi responsible na pagtatapon ng mga basura. Lifestyle. So number one, we have more sustainable choice products in the stores. Pag sinabi mong more sustainable, ito yung apat na classification namin. Either number one, clean beauty siya, without harmful ingredients. Number two, it has better packaging, biodegradable plastic, recyclable post-consumer plastic, and then better ingredients made from responsibly sourced materials, no? With certificates also. And then refill packs, because refills actually consume 70% less plastic, and 70% uses about 70% less energy to produce. So we're promoting that. We also have recycle for reward bins in select stores where our customers can bring their empty health and beauty containers. Diba yung mga body wash, hand wash, pag naubos na yon, diba, instead of throwing it out, they can bring it in Watsons, get rewards, and then this will be recycled, no? Kaya talagang nakakatulong siya in terms of less plastic, in terms of recycling and reusing materials. And of course, sa community, we have a lot of medical missions. Ito naman to encourage overall health, wellness, and overall well-being of our customers. So talagang all-encompassing siya under the planet, people, and products pillars.